morning, my dear students. Last class we studied about sexual reproduction and its types. This class we are going to study about parthenogenesis and its types, phases of life cycle. This is the end part of the lesson. Parthenogenesis. Parthenogenesis means development of egg into a complete individual without fertilization. This is the definition of parthenogenesis. It is of three types: natural parthenogenesis, artificial parthenogenesis, pedogenesis. Natural parthenogenesis is of further types: complete, incomplete, archenotoky, teletoky, amphitoky. Examples are given here. Honeybee, Selenobia, one of the reptile variety, Aphis, one of the insect variety. Here, complete parthenogenesis means organism reproduce only through parthenogenesis. That is called complete parthenogenesis. Incomplete parthenogenesis means sexual reproduction along with parthenogenesis. Organism has both sexual reproduction and parthenogenesis. Example, honeybee. Archenotoky. Males produced by parthenogenesis. Male only produced. Teletoky. Females are only produced by parthenogenesis. Amphitoky. Amphi means both. Both male and females are produced by parthenogenesis. Examples are given here. Next type, artificial parthenogenesis. In this, unfertilized egg develops into complete individual by physical or chemical stimuli. Examples are annelid, sea urchin, marine organism. Pedogenetic parthenogenesis. Pedogenetic parthenogenesis means larvae develops into complete individual. Example, radia, larvae of liver fluke, gall fly. These two are examples of pedogenetic parthenogenesis. So next part of this unit is phases of life cycle. In any organism, there are three phases of life cycle. One is juvenile phase or vegetative phase. That means after birth, the development phase is called juvenile or vegetative phase. Next phase is reproductive phase or maturity phase. That means that organism attained reproductive maturity. This reproductive phase is of further two types. One is seasonal breeders, another one is continuous breeders. That means organism reproduce only in particular season. That is called seasonal breeders. Continuous breeder means throughout the reproductive period, organism reproduces. Then third phase is called old age phase or senescent phase. So these are all the phases of life cycle. For your examination, the parthenogenesis and its types, examples and simple definitions are important. In this juncture, this lesson completes. Thank you.